Ragni from Kusamo. This are my new art. Looks pin-up girls. And here we have one for the yacht show. And then we have another for the yacht show. A blondie girl. Yes. Then we have one for the summer. You like ice cream, I like ice cream in the day and in the night. Yeah. And then we have the good luck pin-up girl for the casino Monte Carlo. If you have the fun, la 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 la. You go in casino Monte Carlo down on the run. You like a pin-up girl? Come, meet me, invite me, book me, work with me. Around famous places in Monaco, Monte Carlo. See you, bye, for all art lovers in the world. Mwah, I need